Hi everyone, thank you so much for choosing my video to enhance your English. Definitely my videos will help you to enhance your English because my all videos are related to English, and I always tell something which ways I have applied in my journey to enhance that genuine way I always tell guys. So if you follow these tips and this way, then definitely you can also, because now I was just working on my land and I stopped now with my mother. Actually my father was also here. He had been plowing the land since the morning. Okay, then when he stopped, I mean when he finished, then he went other side to graze our oxen. Now I'm sitting with my mother here, but somewhere just I'm feeling shy as well. Like for the first time I think I'm making a video with my mother. And you know that when we do something, when it comes to this speaking, so in front of our parents and somebody to speak and to do and to perform, we feel little bit shy and we are little bit scared, by the way. But no, I don't have any like fear that is appearing on my face. Freely just I am speaking. So what else guys I would tell you, I know that if anybody from my village and my friends are watching this video, they may comment me that eventually you brought your mother on your video. Actually knowingly just I did not bring her here. Just we finished our work and she came to sit here because this is sitting place. So when she came here, I thought like let's make a video, and I'm making it because even I want to remove my fear from my life. I want to banish this fear, by the way. So that is why even I'm just sitting beside her and making this video. Actually I wish like she could also speak English here, so that we could both speak English and make you happy. But unfortunately, of course, there means she's illiterate. Illiterate means what? She has not studied even one class, guys. Yeah, my father has completed up to 3 class, I think. One day he told me. But when it comes to my mother, she has never gone to school because she was working very hard and she did not have time. Her father did not allow her to go to school. So sad, guys. But now they send us to the college and school, and because of them today, if I talk about me, then because of them today I'm here and speaking in front of you. Even though I have not completed my graduation in English honors, but still I can speak, because it doesn't mean nowadays most of the people have completed in English honors, still they are unable. Why? Because this is a language, guys. By the way, this is not a subject. Which subject we study in our graduation or wherever, that is just a subject. They don't teach us that spoken English, but to speak this language we have to practice in a other way. So guys, I think I'm making you bored, maybe because I'm speaking about only myself, and here I don't know what my mother is eating. I think some type of pickle, I think that is called pickle or pickle, that she is eating. Because here you can see some dishes as well, where we had brought here water rice that we have finished, and now it's time to go to our home. By the way, today I came here at 12 o'clock, okay, because before that I was busy on my online classes. I think I provided 4 to 5 online classes, then it took me 2 to 3 hours, okay. Then I came here. So by the time I came here it was 12 o'clock. Then also I started working, and within 2 hours I completed that, and just now I am free and making this video. So guys, I think I hope that my all videos are helping you to enhance your English, and if it is literally helping you, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't never forget to leave one single comment in my all videos, guys, because your comments motivate me and encourage me to grow ahead and to speak more fluently. I work hard to enhance my English more and more and more. So similarly guys, now you are unable to speak, means you may be not able to speak English, so just try, put your efforts, start speaking from today, and achieve that level of English language. So by the way, thank you for watching. Now here we have to end it because I'm also feeling hungry, guys, because I think I had eaten before coming here. It was 10 o'clock, okay, then I had taken my water rice, so now it's 2 o'clock. So of course I'm feeling hungry, not hungry like I'm famished. Famished means I'm very much hungry. So now I have to return my home. And you know guys, if you ever get a chance to sit under the tree on a place, then yeah, you can lie here, you can sit here. Definitely you will forget your boring time and which your problems you have, because you know the kind of cold wind is blowing here. It's really awesome. That is touching the body and to my feelings as well. And that's what just I always tell guys, like if I get bored and if I have any problem, then I come here and sit, either sit or I sleep here for some time, because you know we have coolers and that uh, fans at our home, but that is, those are useless guys. Here we can get the natural air, natural wind we can feel, and the kind of, you know, like sleep you can sleep here that you cannot even imagine. Like if you only close your eyes, then when you will sleep, that you can't even realize guys. So that's the reason just I come here. I think this year we have grown which cotton? Tsunami cotton guys, beware this tsunami cotton. I think this year we are going to get many quintals of cottons, because last year, you know, we had grown, I think 5 packets, okay, but unfortunately per quintal was 6,000 only, but we had spent more than that, so we did not get benefits guys. And this year I think we had, I mean we have brought only 3 to 4 packets, so we may get more profit this year, because you know in our Western Odisha, if I talk something, then only on this crop we get money guys. And when it comes to that paddy, then to eat only we grow paddy, but when it comes to get and earn much money, then we depend on this cotton work, because you know at once we get money like 40,000, 50,000, and some people get above 1 lakh as well. That's the reason we grow this cotton. Otherwise, why to work hard here? Because you know nowadays, because of this cotton, like there is no forest guys. We have got the forest almost. Yeah, there is forest guys, but you know, like not that big size of trees. No, because of this cotton. Because you know that we can grow this cotton in black soil, and where we can get black soil, either on the mountain or inside the forest. If we harvest the, I mean if we cut the forest and make a land, only then we can grow that. So due to that, we nowadays we have very less forest, and we have very less trees guys. But anyway, we are doing something and earning money, so it doesn't mean that we don't care about forest. We care guys. Okay, we had a very deep forest, but nowadays it, like the, it has not that much deeper, by the way. So anyway guys, I'm feeling thirsty, so let me drink water. My mother has got ready to go, so now even I should go. So thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.